What's up, guys? I'm about to go out and see if I can find anything going on tonight. It's Friday night here in Cebu. Maybe there'll be some music going on, maybe karaoke, maybe I'll just get some street food. I'm definitely hungry, so we're gonna get out there and see what's going on. I don't know how good the video will be if it's at night, since there's not a lot of light here, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully we see you soon with some good video. Bye, guys. Looks delicious, but I'm on the search for barbecue, so we'll see if we can find some. There we go. It looks very good. How much are the fish?
110.
110, okay.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me. Stand out of the way. Very busy. It's so busy. I'm gonna try to stand out of the way and wait for my barbecue.
Anything else, sir?
No, man, that's it. Thank you. So we got some free soup. We got pancit noodles, and then an interesting view. Rush hour on a Friday night, so let's enjoy. Let me find some silverware very quick, and then we'll eat. All right. We got our chilies, lime, toyo. It's very busy. Wow, that's hot. Oh yeah. This is amazing. Let's try the noodles. I think I just eat them out of the bag. What's up, guys? So we just got done with dinner. We got some East Style from one barbecue place, then walked to another barbecue place and got pork barbecue and sabao, which is free soup. And then we got what, pancit. Yeah, and then I got a whole bunch of groceries for some more snack videos. I tried to find the ones that people suggested, so hopefully we can try those soon. I'll leave you with a little bit more view of the street on this crazy payday Friday. Oh yeah, there's a Jollibee. We're gonna try Jollibee, I think this weekend for the first time, so hopefully look forward to that. All right, see you later, guys. Bye.